Okay, welcome and thank you very much for joining me, guys. I'm very happy. Now, innovation is the name of the game, right? Because basically, what I mean by that, if you can come up with something that's extremely innovative, you're going to become a multi-millionaire, more than likely a billionaire. If you take part as an investor in early stages, in something that you get it right because you thought about it and you said, wow, this is innovative. This is
Oh my God! Wow!
game changing, groundbreaking. I'm going to get in. And if you were right, you're going to be rewarded also as a shareholder. Depending on the money you placed, you're still going to make a lot of money. Right? Example would be ASTS Space Mobile, which is not what this video is about. But I'm going to use that example real quick because the stock I'm going to talk to you about in this video is just as, we're there. We're at we're at something very innovative, very groundbreaking, very something that's definitely going to come into our lives, whether we like it or not. So, it's still early to get in, trading very cheap, and I think it's going to reward shareholders just like ASTS did. So if you don't remember, if you this is embarrassing. If you're in my Discord now, and I noticed actually that people put 2 laughing emojis today. I noticed this when I went back to get a screenshot of this. But what are you guys doing, making fun of me? Why are you guys making? Anyways, well, they put the laughing emoji in because I sold ASTS early. All right, so whatever. But I had told my Discord members that ASTS is a buy at $2.88, and it wasn't just for Discord members. I don't want anyone complaining. I actually talked about ASTS and did YouTube videos for AST Space Mobile. I did YouTube videos for this company before I even talked about calling it a buy in my Discord. So YouTube viewers knew about it before. With that being said, it took off. You knew this was going to take off. You know this company, if it succeeded, right, that they would make a lot of money. AST Space Mobile, guys, is right now $35, all within this year, from 2 to 35. It's insane, right? So what other stock that's trading under $4 that is going to come out with something groundbreaking, innovative, the future, right? And this stock is under $4. I got one for you guys. In fact, I talked about this and did a YouTube video for you guys when it was under 3, and it has gone up now. It's at 368, 378, so we're up, right? But it's nothing compared to where it's going to go because we have news. We have something else, right? We were speculating the whole time if by the end of the year, are they going to commercialize or not, right? Now you're wondering what stock is. This might get to the point. I'll get to it. But before I get to it, as always, I like to remind people, and someone actually asked me today about ticker symbol SERA. Mike, should I get in? I saw your video and all that stuff. Sarah, right? Ticker symbol SERA. I did a YouTube video when it was 326. Guys, today, at the time of recording this video, it's at 720. So, no, it's gone over 100%, way over 100%. I would not get in now. That's just my personal opinion. So, I'm not, but yeah, that's gone up. So, also yesterday, August 21, 2024, this time, forget it's European time, go 8 hours back and you get the New York time. But anyways, August 21, 2024, guys, at 94 cents, as you can see here in the Discord, I called MOBX a buy. So I said, if I can get it at 94, I'll sell at 115. I got it at 94. Did I sell at 115? I sold at 127, 34% gain. Awesome. Within like 25 minutes, 30 minutes, right? That's awesome. But guys, this stock in pre-market today went to $2.40, $2.35, right? So 94 cents. If I had held till pre-market today, I could have been at 230, which would have been way, way over 100%. Let's go to what is innovative, and that innovation will start with Elon Musk.
Imagine a world where your electric vehicle works for you while you're away. Elon Musk envisions a robotaxi system that lets EV owners tap a button on their Tesla app to add their car to a fleet. Picture this. You go on vacation, and your car is out there making money 24/7, just like an Airbnb for vehicles. Musk predicts a fleet of up to 20 million autonomous cars, all generating income without the need for human drivers. This isn't just a dream. It's a glimpse into a future where your car becomes a valuable asset effortlessly contributing to your finances while you relax.
So he basically described this robo-taxi system. Let me know in the comment section below if you like EVs. I personally don't like EVs because I don't like driving a software on wheels. That's just, you know, and I feel like it limits my freedom somehow. But maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Let me know. So the whole point of what this video is about is the future of robo-taxis. But we're going to focus on a robo-taxi in a different way, which is the robo-semi-trucks. Back on May 2024, I talked about, in my Discord, I said that the company with ticker symbol AUR, Aurora Innovation, was getting a large amount. Now, this was May 2024, a large amount of dark pool buying. And we literally get the dark pool buying like literally live. It tells us what price they got in and all that stuff. And if you want to check on your trading app, that's basically the price the stock is trading at that time. So May 2024, I see a huge dark pool buy and I alert everybody about it. If we were to go back in May 21, 2024, the stock was basically trading at $2.48, as you can see, $2.48, $2.50. The stock right now is at $3.88 at the time of me recording the video, but that's nothing compared to where it can go. My personal opinion, this stock is a $20 stock if it can get the commercialization going. So that was it. And I've been saying this even on my past YouTube videos. If it can get, you know, commercialization going. So are we getting it, or are we still stuck at the if? Is it still a speculative, you know, speculation? It's not. It's over. We got news. It's not if, it's coming. And it's coming by the end of this year. They've already announced it just recently, and they're going to start with 20 semi-trucks, 20 Volvo semi-trucks that they're going to be running for Uber Freight. Now, why Uber Freight? Because Uber Freight has invested over 10% in Aurora Innovation. So it's nice to see that Uber is back in Aurora Innovation. The last company that I talked about in a YouTube video that I said that Uber is backing them by over 10% was Serve Robotics, and that exploded like a month later after my YouTube video. It exploded crazy. If you know it, you follow it, you'll see it. So I called on March 22, 2024. I decided that AUR is a buy at $2.48, and I've done all of these YouTube videos. So, you know, I don't want to get complaints because someone said in a comment that you only talk about your Discord. No, I don't talk about only on my Discord. If you follow this YouTube channel, there's a lot. There's 80% of the content that comes out on this YouTube channel is content that was never talked about in my Discord, right? So, but I've done 5 videos on AUR on my YouTube channel already. But let's take it in order. On May 20, 2024, Volvo Autonomous providing the way forward. So basically, Volvo Autonomous Solutions has partnered with Aurora Innovation, which is a very big deal. Uber Freight and self-driving truck startup Aurora partner for the long haul. And you know, that's basically it, guys. If you see this, like, just pretend that this semi-truck is filling up with a bunch of bananas, whatever, to transport them from California to Ohio, right? Well, that semi-truck is going to go the whole route autonomous, on its own, no drivers. It's a benefit for the company, obviously. They don't need to pay for drivers, insurance, whatever, you know, retirement plans, whatever. So, yeah, it's actually bad for humanity in a way because we're losing jobs. But they're going to go and they're going to push ahead whether we like it or not. So, you know, nothing's going to change. These things are going to come in our lives. So you might as well, I guess, invest in it. I don't know. Well, I don't know. It sounds a little crazy, but it is what it is. So Uber Freight and Uber Freight is a huge company in the United States, right? So Aurora Innovation is going to be making money off a per mile basis, and they actually have told us when they will be free cash flow positive. Now, you know, you can believe it or not, but it is nice that we have got this information. We've never got this information before. Guys, we have never gotten this information before. Now we have it. Self-driving truck startup Aurora Innovation raises $483 million in share sales ahead of commercial launch. And so that was on August 2nd, 2024. And at the time, around that time, the stock fell, right? And it hasn't recovered yet fully because the stock was, I think, near $5 it had gone up to. Now it's at $3.88, which is fine for those who, if they like it, want to get back in. But they were planning on not raising no more than, or they were planning on trying to raise $400 million around there, 420. Let's say that. And instead they got much more interest from investors, which is a good thing. Like, that just goes to show you what people believe about what this company can be. So self-driving company Aurora Innovation was hoping to raise hundreds of millions of dollars additional capital as it races towards driverless commercial launch by the end of 2024. So the newly raised funds come a little over a year since Aurora completed a capital of $820 million, but the company is planning to go to market as a carrier, offering up to 20 autonomous parked car Volvo trucks to their shippers at the end of this year. So that gives them runway well into 2026, according to the money they just raised recently this month, right? So they got a cash runway up until 2026, and they become cash flow positive company by 2028, right? So yeah, that's another 3 years, and that means volatility ahead for the stock, in my personal opinion. But if the stock gets their 20 semi-trucks going by the end of this year, which they said they will, so that's awesome, revenue starts coming in, and if any other news that we can't even think of right now that go along the way, I don't think it'll be easy, and I don't think we'll see the stock trading at under $4 again. This is just my opinion, but of course anything can happen, and you can't foresee other various market conditions, economic conditions, worldwide geopolitical events that will affect the market also. So, these are things that, I can't tell. But yeah, if everything goes rosy, I don't think that I'll see this stock again under 4 in 2025 or 2026. In Q2 of 2024, the company spent $196 million, which is direct loss because the startup isn't selling anything. It's not generating any money yet. But it is significant, though, to be honest. $196 million, that's a lot to be burning through, right? So that's one risk to consider. And overall, guys, if you just remember ASTS Space Mobile, it had gone through very rough times since 2021. They went public, right, if I remember. So they had come in through a SPAC, and so did Aurora Innovation. And ASTS Space Mobile needed money. They needed money. They were struggling. They were trying to launch their satellites. They were having setbacks, failures, public offerings. It was never a rosy picture for 2-3 years, right? It wasn't perfect. And now that they finally, they raised all the money they needed. They've got cash. They got investors. They got Google investing last year $350 million, and they got their satellites, on track and all that. Yeah, now you see the stock running and all that stuff, and the fact that it is a very innovative product that they're offering. Same thing with Aurora Innovation. I think Aurora Innovation has gone through very volatile times. Shareholders had if they've been holding long term, they had to have a very strong stomach. But I think the stock is starting to turn around and starting to head to the direction where it will reward its shareholders. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. I think that in the stock market, whether we are going through a bull market or a bear market, if you are a fan of Warren Buffett, if you are a fan of the book The Intelligent Investor, what does it teach you? That not to give so much attention to the prophets, the fake market prophets out there who tell you, the end of the world is coming, the market's going to crash, this and this and that, and they don't give you any solution at all. They just blah, 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 and there's no solution. The solution is this, guys. No matter what the market conditions are, there are opportunities, there are companies to invest in. So just like if I had listened to fake market profits, I wouldn't have made any money on ASTS Space Mobile. I wouldn't have made any money, and I'm still up, and I'm still holding Rocket Lab, doing awesome. There are opportunities out there. Not many. There's few, but there are opportunities out there. And so if you're not looking in a positive way, and if you don't have a positive mood, you might miss them, right? So with that being said, overall, I am concluding by saying that you should not buy Aurora Innovation. Don't tell me in the comment section below what a waste of video. He talked about it and then at the end told me not to buy it. I'm saying it because you have to do your own research. You have to do your own due diligence, guys. Never buy, blindly. No one should do it. I don't do it. I don't buy it blindly. I do my own research, right? So thank you very much, guys, and I wish you all the best. Take care.